Hi, my name is Rich and I am the parts interpreter at Canberra BMW. And today I'm going to show you how to install the air freshener on your BMW. The BMW air fresheners are available in 6 different fragrances for your BMW's interior, and they are available to purchase from the parts and accessories section of the Canberra BMW dealership. Firstly, open the lid, then insert the stick and just simply close the lid and push it into the air vent. Also, you can adjust the airflow using the slider on the top. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call me or the Canberra BMW team at 02 6208 4111. They will be happy to assist you.